Hello you all, this is Militão Ricardo from Porto Alegre, Brazil. This is my third assignment of our course and we'll be talking about automation. Well, during the mix process, the goal is to keep the listeners focused on some aspects of the song. Volume is one of the elements that we can manage in order to put an element in focus. In the analog days, during a mixdown process on a multi-track environment, you would need some people to help moving more than one fader up and down during one single song mixdown. Well, nowadays, DAW can memorize the fader's movements and reproduce all of them at the same time. It's possible to work on every volume fader movement and record that pattern. After all movements are recorded, then you can proceed with the mixdown. Okay, so let's see how it is done. I have this track that I recorded and edited a little bit. Now we need to set a control track in which we can manage the volume of the track, and we do that by clicking here. Okay, so you see this DAW, just set this line here, that is the volume, okay? And then we have two ways of editing the volume of the track. First, we can record the movement of the faders that we can make with the mouse on the mixer screen here. Okay, I have this button, I have read, touch, latch and write. I will choose latch. Okay, then I have to press the recording. Okay, and then as I play the track, the movement that I will do with this fader will be recorded. Let's see. See how it's doing? See on the screen? Let's make other movement. Okay, then we have the movement that was recorded on the track, on the control track. And the other way of recording is editing the fader's movements by editing the automation track. Every recorded track on a project has an automation track. Let's see how it's done. I click here and then another click, and then I can move this line around, and you see it will make all the movements that I want. Let's listen. Here we go. Another thing that it's important to remember, if I use the touch, it's like making an insert here. See this part here, still recording. I play, and then I make a movement. As I release the mouse, it comes back to the previous recording. That's an important resource that we have, okay? Well, the DAWs have a huge capability of mix edition. One person can edit a lot of details in one song with time and record all those faders movement in order to get a good quality mix. It's an amazing tool for me, a person who started mixing in the analog era. Okay folks, I think that's all. Thank you very much.